What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Daily Stock Report, where we bring you all the up-to-date information you need to know. But first, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the bell if you want to win this beautiful 1996 American Silver Eagle. Make sure you comment on the video when we hit 100. We will do a video. You will have to comment, and that is how you will win. Just want to make sure those instructions are uber clear for everybody. Now let's get into the meat and bones of today. And was today a day? Check everything out, guys. So everything, if you would have looked for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for 8 hours, 12 hours, you would have seen absolute chaos right here. We opened up and we immediately dropped all the way down to 79.59, and of course we rejected that. And on the very next candle, just look like little Christmas trees. On the very next candle, we came all the way back up, and we finished it at 84.74. So within 8 hours, we dropped to 79, and we came up to 84. Absolute insanity. And then we kind of rode this trend down a little bit right here. And this is a weird way to finish out this formation that we originally drew, and we ended up coming back all the way up to where we are right now, 87.16. We'll just call it 87 for the moment. And we're currently testing this $87 mark that we got rejected on Wednesday, March 4th, and also on, both Wednesday, March 4th, we just got rejected twice on that day, which brought us down to our second low point in this double bottom right here. Now it's almost looking like a triple bottom if you ask me, but this was super crazy volatility right here, and it didn't last. So I'm almost just looking at this as a candle here and then through here. I'm almost just looking at this as a straight line, because these were the same 4 hours. Now in this same period, the S&P dropped over 2%. Crude oil went all the way up to around 120 before dropping all the way back down to, I believe it's in the 90s again, which is actually insane for the fact that it can go so high and so low. We did have some news coming out that the G7 countries are going to work together to make sure we get some reserves going, because if you haven't filled up your car in the last couple of days, you haven't noticed that gas has gone up to nearly $3. That's down here in Houston, where gas is usually the cheapest. I'm scared to go back up to Dallas because I know it's going to be over $3. Diesel, RIP, if you just drive a diesel truck, just to drive a diesel truck, I mean, that diesel is going for around $4.20 to $4.50 a gallon right now. So the price of everything is going to start to go up here pretty soon if we don't see some normalcy inside of the market. But coming back to the silver market, everybody, we are currently testing this 87. We're at the next 4-hour candle, and we are above it. And so that would be bullish news, because this would continue our double bottom pattern that we had. Like I said, this was just some weird action that we saw today. Super volatile to go all the way down to 79 and all the way up to 86, almost 87. It was 86.98. We're going to call that 87. So to have a nearly $7 swing within the same day, it's pretty crazy, off of pretty much no new news other than oil. And it's crazy how something just as small as oil can continue to drive a market. And it drove the entire global market today. At the open, everything was down besides oil, and then at the close, everything was up except oil. So take that for how you will, but this is where I'm watching. News is still the same on the silver side, guys and gals. We're watching these two lines. Currently does look like we're going to continue this formation. If we can stay above it tonight, going into tomorrow morning's trading hours, I do believe we can touch those 90s again pretty soon, rather than later. And so these are the things that I'm currently looking for. But yes, stay caution, because, and this is partially why I was saying, like, I'm not buying silver at the moment, because what if I bought and it went down and it stayed down? Knowing my luck, it would have stayed down. But we came back up, and we had some bullish news come out and that's what kind of helped pushed it up a little bit more. But yeah, that's kind of what I got for today, everybody. Hope everyone has a phenomenal day. I'll have a deeper, more in-depth video tomorrow. Just kind of in a rush right now. I just wanted to bring this to you guys today because that's my promise. We're the daily stacking team, and every day we shoot a video. Monday through Friday, we shoot out a video. If you haven't checked out my coin hunting videos, check those out. There's some coin hunting videos. I've been doing some pennies. I usually do them on the regular, but I've just decided to start recording it now. But yeah, go check those out whenever you're bored and you want some background. Kind of have a conversation with myself, ask you guys questions. And so, yeah, let's kind of go over those things. And as always, I hope everyone has a great day. Stack safe, stack smart, and I'll see you tomorrow.